In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on Wix. Duplicating a section is a fast way to reuse a layout you already love. Perfect for repeating service blocks, testimonials, or any design you want to keep consistent across your page. It keeps your spacing, fonts, and structure identical so you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and navigating to the page that contains the section you want to copy. A section is the horizontal slice of your page that usually holds multiple elements, like text, images, and buttons. Move your mouse over the section until the outliner handles appear so you know the entire section, not just a single element, is selected. Click once to select it. If you accidentally click on an element inside the section, just click outside of it and try again until the entire section is highlighted. With the section selected, right-click directly on it. A small menu will appear next to your cursor. From this menu, choose Duplicate. Wix will immediately create an exact copy of that section and place it right below the original. Everything inside, your layout, design settings, and elements, comes along with it, which makes this method incredibly efficient for maintaining a consistent look while speeding up your workflow. There's also a quicker way if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Once the section is selected, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. The duplicate will appear below the current section just like before. If you need multiple copies, you can press Ctrl+D again to keep duplicating. This is especially helpful when you're setting up repeating content and want to move quickly without interrupting your design process. After the duplicate appears, scroll to it and make your changes. Because it's a separate copy, edits you make won't affect the original. You can safely swap text, replace images, or adjust spacing while keeping the first version as your reference. This approach is great for creating variations of a design while preserving a clean, consistent structure across the page. And that's all there is to it. Select the section, right-click, and choose Duplicate, or use Ctrl+D, and Wix handles the rest by placing the copy directly below. Use this simple technique whenever you want to repeat a design quickly and keep your site looking cohesive. Thanks for watching, and happy building!